Hey guys, my name is Adam Shaner and I am the farm manager for Quail Farms in Livingston, California. Here at Quail Farms, we grow between 700 and 800 acres of sweet potatoes on an annual basis. And in the state of California, there's between 20 and 22,000 acres. I have made for you a short video of what we call the bedding process, where we grow the transplants that'll be later planted into the field. I hope you enjoy.
The bedding process begins the year prior when we select seed to use the next year. In late December, we then begin to heat up the seed so it can be used in February in the beds. As you can see, we dump the potatoes into the hopper and the potatoes are then laid onto the ground. After all the seed potatoes are laid on the ground, we will then begin to level them out and remove any bad seeds. The next process is to then cover the seeds with soil. Once all the potatoes are covered, we then level the soil with rakes. The next step in the process is to cover the beds with plastic. First, we throw out metal rods. The rods are then pushed into the ground to create hoops. Sandbags are then thrown out. We will use these sandbags to hold down one side of the plastic later on. A trench is dug to bury the plastic on the side opposite of the sandbags. The beds are then covered with plastic. Here we are watering for the next day's beds. In this video, you have watched us bed a variety called Covington, which tends to grow rather slowly. Here's what it looks like after 4 to 5 weeks. Another week has passed and we are now topping the plants. Topping the beds helps them grow uniformly and also strengthens them. We hope to top them another 2 times before planting. Planting won't begin here at Quail H Farms for another 2 to 3 weeks, but this is what a finished bed and plant looks like. Plant will then be sorted and planted. I hope you've enjoyed this video.